Hey friends, if you wish to install and use the Chinese keyboard on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what you have to do for this. First of all, to install and use the Chinese keyboard, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select language and region. Before anything else, just scroll down and check if you already have the Chinese keyboard, which I do, so I will not need it again. And yes, it has some limitations in comparison to the American keyboards. But for the sake of this example, I will remove the Chinese keyboard so that I can show you how they are installed. So now I do not have any Chinese keyboard. To install it, I will click on add a language. Then I will select Chinese. Then I will go to Chinese Simplified, Mainland China, or any other version that you may prefer, but I prefer the first one. And then I will select this one, and then I will select install. This does not automatically make Chinese Simplified the main language of my system because my system only supports one display language. So I will have to keep moving it up one by one till it reaches the top. I have to keep moving it up till it reaches the top, and then it will replace English United States as the main language. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.